Hey, how's it going? It's me, 𝗠𝘂𝘀𝗶, back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you 8 brilliant LEGO life hacks that you should definitely try. So let's check them out. The first LEGO life hack is with this bicycle. I don't know if this ever happened to you, but it happened to me. Problem is that the rubber came off the wheel. To fix that, just take a rubber band and place it onto the wheel. What's perfect about it is that it's the perfect size for the wheel. The second life hack is about these tiles. If you ever try to pick them up with just your fingers, it's pretty hard. Instead, take a tall 2x piece or try to press on it with your finger, and that's an easy way you can pick it up. The next life hack is one that I use often. If you ever buy LEGO minifigures, you don't want every single minifigure, you just look for the one you need. Here's how you find a specific minifigure you're looking for. Just feel through the package. Do not feel for the torso or the legs or the head unless it's a specific mold, but instead look for the accessory and the hairpiece because they're different shapes all the time. For example, Anna's hair is rubber, and then you can feel through the package. Let's get to the next life hack. If you're working on a LEGO building and you need a specific color of that piece, but it's a printed piece, instead take the printed side and place it on the back. Nobody will see from the printed side, but on the other side you'll see the color. Okay, sticker piece is the next one. Sticker pieces are useful if you're trying to add more detail to your build, but if you ever take the sticker off the LEGO piece, this is what happens. But instead of going and washing your brick or something like that, just take your finger and just press onto the brick and it comes off. This life hack is very useful and very easy to do. Disconnecting LEGO pieces is one of the hardest things you can ever do in LEGO. Here's how you can do it without breaking your teeth or nails. Don't disconnect the piece on the side or with your teeth. Instead, find the corner of the piece and pull it off. If you don't organize your pieces, I usually try to keep my LEGO pieces organized, but sometimes I'll leave all my mocs inside of one bin, and this is what happens. But to find a piece you really need, dump those pieces on a bed or on a blanket, and there you can easily find it. And it's very easy to clean up after by taking a blanket and placing it back into the container. The next life hack is with LEGO eyes, probably like the most useless LEGO pieces, but you can add character to your brick separator by adding those eyes onto it. It's just a great use of those eyeball pieces you have laying around for many years. But that's not even the actual life hack. If you're ever looking for a brick separator in your mixed up pieces box, look for the brightest color, the orange color, and you'll easily find it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you in the next one.